Hi guys, what's up? Chris Beamer here with IPGrentals.com, and today we're going to show you how to manually map a lens with no hard stops with our Cinegears single axis wireless follow focus. Let's go! So in the previous videos we went through how to map a lens that has hard stops. We also went over the Cinegears Espresso small hand control as well. But today we're going to show you how to map lenses that do not have hard stops on them, so it's to manually map it out. So again, in the other videos we kind of went through some of this stuff. I'll kind of breeze through it until we get to the mapping part. So I have the controller in my hand. I'm going to go ahead and flip it on. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to press down this button like we did last time until that's green, and then I'm going to press the set and the O. So now we have this right here. Now this is an old calibration, so this is not the one that we need to be paying attention to. So we're going to have to manually map this out. So here's how you do it. You're going to go in and you're going to press the set and the record button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. On the bottom, there's 4 buttons, A, B, C, and D, that are now lit up. It's kind of going to be in reverse order. You're going to hold down C until your lens gets to its infinity mark, and then you're going to quickly press A so that it stops and maps out that side. Then you're going to hold down D and then press B when the lens gets to its near very, very quickly, so you've mapped out that side. So let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to hold down C. So here it goes to the macro side. Got that. And then I'm going to go ahead and hold down D. Now it's going the other direction, and I'm going to stop it as soon as it gets to the infinity mark, which is right here, and boom. So we went ahead and we have mapped out manually our lens using the A, B, C, and D buttons. So there it is. Remember to look for a new video drop on Monday. Every single Monday we're bringing you new videos, new tutorials, showing you the ins and outs of some of our gear to make your shoots go very, very smoothly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, our gear, your vision, IPGrentals.com.